Hi guys, today I will be sharing with you the basic makeup routine that I follow pretty much every morning to get ready to work. So first thing is right after I wake up, I cleanse my face with a mild cleanser. This is from CeraVe and I will just apply it all over my face and wash it off with water. And then I'll gently pat dry my face with a soft towel. I also started applying a vitamin C serum in the morning, and that one is also from CeraVe. It is not as good as a prescription strength would be, but this is the one I started using because it is relatively economical and would probably give me at least 50% of the results. I think once we are 40 and above, we should start including some vitamin C serum and maybe a retinol. But always consult with a dermatologist before starting any new type of skincare because sometimes these products may not suit your skin type. So, I had a recent consultation with a dermatologist and she suggested to use a vitamin C serum in the morning with a moisturizer and sunscreen and a retinol in the evening right before I go to bed. So after I shower, I'll start my makeup routine, and these are the products I will be using. And of course, I change my lip color based on my mood, but today I will be wearing a red lipstick. So first, I will start with applying a sunscreen. So this is what I do whenever I plan to step outside of my house, and I apply a generous amount. And I prefer using a zinc oxide based sunscreen. This is the one I got from Trader Joe's, and I will blend it all over my face and neck before I put on any other makeup. So today I will be applying this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is good for medium coverage, but my all-time favorite is one from Estee Lauder Double Wear, which is good for like a little bit more party heavy makeup because it is a full coverage foundation. But for everyday basis, I just apply any medium coverage foundation. One tip is to always replace your makeup products after 1 year and try to use good quality makeup products. I blend everything with my fingers. I don't like to use makeup sponges or brushes because I feel like they collect bacteria, and if I don't wash them regularly, then they're not that good for my skin. So I would just use my clean fingers to blend my makeup. After that, I will be applying a color corrector to hide my dark circles. I got these dark circles like a couple of years ago. I don't know what the reason is. Maybe I didn't get enough sleep, or it could be due to genetic reason. I did talk to my dermatologist about it, and she says there isn't any easy fix for that. But I mean, you can easily conceal it with makeup, and but still make sure to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This is the least you can do for your skin. Try to eat healthy and drink lots of water. And then I just blend everything, my foundation and my color corrector nicely just with my fingers. I don't use concealer because the color corrector from NARS does the job for me. And I think once you're above 40, your skin will have those fine lines and the concealer starts creasing in those lines. So less products are better for me. So I was trying to describe this process, so you'll see my lips moving here and there. So please ignore that. And it wasn't a very good quality, so I decided to do a voiceover instead. And now I'm putting some blush and contour. And this is a palette from Tarte Cosmetics, and this has a blush, contour and highlighter all in one. So I will apply this like so with the help of a brush, and I'll also contour my forehead and a little bit of my jawline. And after that I will apply eyeliner, and today I'm just using this one, um, but my all-time favorite is one from MAC, 24-hour PowerPoint liquid eyeliner. That is the best I have come across when it comes to waterproof eyeliner, because that one doesn't smudge or comes off even after 24 hours, and you really have to use a good eye makeup remover to clean it. But today I'm just using this one because my MAC eyeliner was kind of dry and I have to replace it. And I try to create a little wing, and I don't think there's any perfect way to create a wing, so I just try my best to create a symmetry. I'm not a makeup expert, but I'm just sharing what I do every day to get ready for work. And this is not a very heavy makeup or a party makeup, but a basic makeup that makes me feel good and put together. For eyes, I feel eyeliner, a little bit of eyeshadow, and definitely curling your eyelashes, open them up, and make them look prettier. And if I have a little bit of sparse hair and my eyebrows, I will just use the same eyeliner to fill it. I don't use multiple products for every um, single thing. And you'll also notice that how I use lipstick to kind of just use as a eyeshadow sometimes. So now I will curl my eyelashes. So what I usually do is I blow some hot air on my eyelash curler from my mouth. This kind of warms it up, or you can dip it in hot water for a few seconds, and after that when you curl your eyelashes, they curl better. I press it 2 to 3 times, and then I will apply mascara, and this is the one from L'Oreal. This is the telescopic waterproof mascara, and among the drug stores brands, this is my favorite one because it does not smudge and lasts all day. I like to avoid any type of mascara or eyeliner that smudge because they kind of accentuate my under eye darkness, so I always like to go with waterproof ones. And in the drugstore brand, I like the Maybelline waterproof eyeliner as well. It doesn't last that long, but at least it does not smudge. Please ignore my moving lips as I was trying to describe this whole process, but it didn't come out that great, the sound quality, and I was like forgetting a lot of things to say, so I decided to just do a voiceover. And now I have this eyeshadow palette from Physicians Formula, and I only apply a little bit of shimmer on right under my eyebrows. This is a makeup that is mostly meant for daytime wear, so you don't want to do too much. And now I will be wearing my red lipstick, and ideally you should be lining your lips, but today I'm just going to directly apply the red lipstick, and with red less is more. So I apply a little bit and kind of just blend it by just pressing my lips like so. And I will also be using a little bit of it as an eyeshadow. So just took a little bit on my finger, and I'm going to put it on my eyelids just to give it a little bit of a pink tint. I think this suits my skin color. I have like a typical Indian skin color, So this type of color suits my face. So now all I have to do is brush my hair. I don't like to blow dry my hair very often because they're kind of naturally frizzy. But yeah, feel free to do that if you know it suits your hair type. Of course, if I am going for a party or something like that, then I would blow dry it. After that, there's one last step, which is to highlight some features of my face using the highlighter, and this is from the same Tarte palette, and I will be applying a little bit on my forehead, on the tip of my nose, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on my cheekbones. And this completes the look. And now we will see it how it looks under the natural light. So I will be going to another room which has a natural light coming from the window, and this is how it looks. And this is the before and this is the after. I hope you guys like this video. Please hit the like button if you do, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.